It's no secret that acne can be frustrating because it never goes away. But the good news is, there are some things you can do right now to get rid of acne for good. In this video, we are going to show you some of the most powerful ways you can instantly heal breakouts and prevent new ones from forming with just a few simple steps. We know how frustrating it is to have acne. You want to look your best, but your skin doesn't cooperate, right? Well, in this video, you are going to learn 15 effective tricks that will help you clear up your skin overnight. Number 1. Replace your pillowcase every 3 months. Acne forms when the skin is exposed to dirt over some time. Your skin rests on your pillowcase every night of the year, 365 days. It has been observed that having new, clean, smooth cotton pillowcases each night will reduce acne and pimples by 60%. Changing your pillowcase every 3 months helps keep your face clean and healthy. Wash your face with cold water before bed. You should wash your face with cold water before going to bed. Wash your face twice, once with mild soap and then again with only water. This washes all the dirt and oil away from your face that has accumulated during the day. Cold water will seal your skin's pores after you've washed off the dirt. Avoid picking at pimples. Picking at pimples can cause permanent scarring. If you want to get rid of a pimple, apply an acne spot treatment made with salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide. This will prevent the bacteria from entering your skin. Allow the treatment to work overnight and clear up any blemishes you may have in a few days. Make a milk and honey mask. Combine 1 part milk with 3 parts honey into a paste and apply it to your face for 10 minutes. After that, rinse it off and your skin will be glowing. The antioxidants vitamins A, B, and E in the milk fight acne, while honey is a natural antibacterial agent. This mask will not only cure existing acne, but can prevent future outbreaks too. Use a gentle cleanser that is free of chemicals or fragrances. These chemicals irritate the skin and add to your acne problems. If you have oily skin, use a non-comedogenic cleanser. Harsh cleansers can strip your skin of natural oils and trigger oil production, leading to more breakouts. Frequent washing also strips natural oils from the skin, leaving it dry and irritated. Apply apple cider vinegar mixed with water for an astringent toner. Apple cider vinegar is a great natural acne remedy. It reduces redness and encourages the skin to heal itself. Mix apple cider vinegar with water in a ratio of 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to 2 cups of water. Apply a cotton ball or a pad to this mixture on your face. Eat foods rich in vitamin C. Fruits such as broccoli, strawberries, pineapples, papaya, carrots, and tomatoes are great to get rid of acne. These fruits are known for their antioxidant properties, which help fight against free radicals that cause skin damage and breakouts. They are also full of vitamin C, which helps your body produce collagen that can reduce acne scars. Avoid dairy products, refined sugar, and excess carbohydrates. All of these foods affect hormones in the body, which cause inflammation and lead to acne outbreaks. Cutting down on dairy products and refined sugar means that you are avoiding hormones that can cause acne. Get enough sleep. Insufficient sleep causes your skin to be stressed, giving it a poor appearance. Make sure you are getting at least 8 hours of sleep per night to get rid of acne and give your body time to recuperate from all the stress. Exfoliate your skin with a gentle scrub at least twice per week. This will unclog your pores and remove any dirt or other blockages that may be causing acne. It also helps prevent future outbreaks by removing dead skin cells. The best time for exfoliation is right before bed, so all the dead cells have been removed from your face by morning. 11. Add probiotics to your diet. Many people don't know this, but eating yogurt is beneficial to your skin. The probiotics in natural yogurt boost the good bacteria needed for healthy-looking skin. Probiotics ensures less inflammation in the body, which can cause acne breakouts. Drink lots of water every day. Drinking lots of water keeps your body hydrated and clean. A lack of water causes toxins to build up in the body, which can lead to acne outbreaks. 13. Use non-comedogenic products. Non-comedogenic products are recommended for people with acne. They usually have no oil, which is necessary to clog pores. These products are designed to leave your skin clean without any residue that can lead to breakouts. Add honey and cinnamon to your facial mask. To fight acne-causing bacteria, you can make a facial mask. Just mix 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for this beneficial acne treatment. Leave it on your face for 10 minutes, then rinse with cool water. 15. Cleanse your skin at least twice a day using gentle cleansers. Cleaning your skin at least twice a day can reduce acne breakouts by removing dirt, excess oil, and other debris on the face. It also gives your skin some time to recover from all the damage it's experienced throughout the day. Finally, if you stick to these tricks and tips for your acne at least twice a day, you should start to notice significant changes within a short while. Don't let acne keep you from being social or wearing your favorite clothes. With these simple tricks, you can have clear skin in just a matter of days. Good luck! We hope you gained more valuable tips from this video. If you did, subscribe to this channel right now. Which of the tips mentioned in this video seems new to you? Using non-comedogenic products or using a milk and honey mask? You can let us know by sharing your thoughts in the comment section down below.